Hello everyone, today we are back with Code Combat. In this episode, we're going to be focusing on loops. So sit back, take out your notebooks, because class is in session. Ooh, another level that has to do with loops. Loop the loop. Loops are a lifesaver. So basic syntax and loops.
Win. Move right.
Okay, so avoid deadly lightning beam under 6 statements. So going around. So I believe this beam is going to go in circles. Do only one while through loop containing 4 commands to survive this level. Oh, so it is very straightforward. They are just telling us what to put. So these are some very straightforward levels where they tell you just do this, do that. So we can actually get a real feel on what future levels are going to be like. So now let's see, hero dot move up, hero dot move left, just like the comments say, and hero dot move down.
Move right. Move up. Move left. Move down. Move right.
And keep doing it.
Move up.
Now we see it's going to keep
left.
doing it, and it's going to be able to
Move
avoid
down.
the laser infinitely.
Move right.
And we succeeded. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. And we've been doing very well. Look at how many levels we have beat. This next level is going to be our second one today. So let's keep that energy going, shall we? Maze constructed to confuse travelers. Wild loops.
For the win.
Okay, so I can't go straight. This is a dead end. But I can go here, 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 here. So under 6 statements. Now, what we see right here, if you pay attention, is that this is an action that gets repeated. Move right twice, move up twice. And when we have something that gets repeated, we can use a loop instead of using the same statement multiple times. Now, if we let this go, this eventually is going to hit the wall over there. It's not going to be pretty. So we still need it to go right twice. But again, we can save time by just putting 2. And then we put hero that move up. Remember, because we wanted to move up after we move right twice. So it keeps doing that until we reach the exit, which is what we want. And look, we only had 2 statements inside of the loop. So hopefully that is going to be enough. Now
Move right.
let's let it run.
Move up.
So far, so good. And look, even highlights which
right.
statement it is on.
Move
You
up.
see, I told you that we can see when
Move
when
right.
an area is repeated.
Check the hints for
No,
tips.
shut up.
Move up.
As I was saying, we can see when an area of code might be repeated. In that case, we can use a loop to do so. Right now, we ended this labyrinth, we collected the gems, and we got out. That was fun, wasn't it? And we are done. And we've been doing great in this adventure. I'm so happy for each and every one of you. We have conquered multiple levels, and we are going to go straight into the last one of this episode. The level is called Descending Further. use a loop to navigate efficiently. We've been using loops in the past levels, and right now we are going to see what the next level is going to give us as a challenge. Right now, so we go through here, 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 here. So your hero must survive. Grab the gem, bonus under 5 statements, no code problems. So this one is actually super similar than the to the last one, that it was going right up, right up, right up until reaching the end. And this one is going to be right down, right down, right. Here we are presented with absolutely nothing. We are just given the instructions. In the previous ones we were given a little bit, but right now we are just going to do something right here. Now remember, the first step is that we need a loop. It is going to be a while loop. And right now we are being offered autocomplete. So this one is going to be while true. This one is going to keep repeating what is inside of the loop forever until we reach the end or until we die. Right now, the simple instructions that we can follow right here are: move right twice, move down, move right, move down, and move right. So right here we have the commands hero dot move right twice, because we are going to move this way, and hero move down. So this one is actually going to be enough, because even though it's going to be right twice, move down, right twice, move down, right twice, it's going to stop right here. It doesn't matter if it's going to say move down, because we reached the end. So that is going to be it. So now let's see if this is it.
Move right.
So far so good.
Move down.
Looks like it
Move
is going to
right.
reach the end.
Move down. Move
Here we
right.
go, here we go. And we got it, ladies and gentlemen. We succeeded in all the goals. Your hero survived, grab the gem, and even the bonus goals. We have finished this level, and in record time for us, because the other ones took longer, but on this one it was very straightforward. And we have finished, we have ended for today, ladies and gentlemen. It was actually really fun, it was actually exciting. I'm happy to do all this for each and every one of you. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and good night.